Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Multipotent Bro. Today our topic is recurrent miscarriage or recurrent pregnancy loss. So what is recurrent miscarriage? It is defined as 3 or more consecutive pregnancy losses less than 20 weeks of gestation or with a fetal weight of less than 500 grams. Let's discuss about the causes. Parental chromosomal abnormalities, antiphospholipid antibody syndrome, uterine structural abnormalities. These 3 were the causes. Let's have a brief explanation on each cause. First is the parental chromosomal abnormalities. It is seen in 2 to 4% of cases. Both parents' karyotyping is done to no abnormalities. Mainly reciprocal translocations are most common and Robertsonian translocation seen. If couple are with abnormal karyotyping, after thorough genetic counseling, in vitro fertilization and genetical pre-implantation will be guided. Next is the antiphospholipid antibody syndrome. It is defined as the autoantibodies that bind to phospholipid binding plasma proteins in combination with various forms of reproductive loss and substantially increased risk for venous thromboembolism. What were the criteria used for the diagnosis of antiphospholipid antibody syndrome? It is the clinical and the laboratory criteria. Comment S in the comment section to know the detailed explanation on this. Uterine structural abnormalities. Almost 15% of women with 3 or more consecutive miscarriages have a congenital or acquired uterine anomaly. Congenital anomalies originate from abnormal Mullerian duct formation. Structural abnormalities of uterus like unicornate, bicornate and septate uterus may increase risk of miscarriage. Acquired uterine abnormalities like uterine sync, Asherman syndrome, uterine curettage, hysteroscopic surgeries may cause miscarriage. Uterine leiomyomas most commonly, especially if located near the placental implantation site. Women undergoing IVF pregnancy outcomes are adversely affected by submucous but not subserosal or intramural leiomyomas. These are the reference for our topic today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day guys.